What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm talking about my Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold that I picked up yesterday. I purchased this on Amazon, shipped and sold by Amazon. It was brand new. Nothing wrong with the device. You guys saw I did do a live stream unboxing of this yesterday, so that is on the channel if you want to check it out, or if you have any doubts and what I'm saying is true here. But I picked this up on Amazon. I ordered it on Monday, February 2nd, and it is currently the 5th. I got it yesterday, so the 4th. I set it all up, everything like that, all was good to go. You know, as you guys saw when I picked it up, the box was sealed. There was no issues there. I have no doubt that this is a brand new device. I don't have any reason to believe that this was a return or anything like that to Amazon, or that there's anything fishy going on there. I know some people might want to say that's the case, but again, go watch my live unboxing. You can see that this thing was fully sealed in the box. The pull tabs were still intact. The paper was still on the phone perfectly. You know, that never goes back on the same way it came off. So no doubt that this phone has never been used. And first thing I did when I picked this thing up is I went to the Google website. I planned on purchasing the Pixel Care Plus, so I was covered for any accidental damage. I mean, you know, this is a foldable device, so they are, you know, a little bit more fragile than your slab style phones, and I just wanted protection since it was a, you know, I got it on sale, it's $1,500. I wanted to be protected. So I went to the Google website and went to their Pixel Care, and it says I have 60 days from the time of purchase to add Pixel Care Plus. I entered my IMEI, and it came up that the device was not eligible. So I contacted Google, and they told me that this phone was purchased on November 25th, 2025. That is what the records indicate. Now, if we pull up the My Pixel app right here, and we go to support, I don't really believe that because it says the warranty ends on 2/4/27, which would be 1 year from the date that I activated the phone, which was yesterday. So I don't know why that is saying 2/4/27, but if I go to device health right here and I pull up the warranty section, I'm just doing this off screen real quick, so my IMEI does not show. You can see right here, it does show a purchase date of November 25th, 2025. And then this says coverage until February 23rd, 2027. So why that on that page is different from this page right here, I'm not entirely too sure, but that is 1 year right there from when I actually got this device. So I tried to purchase Pixel Care, and it tells me that it's ineligible. And I contact Google, and they tell me because the device is over 60 days old, that it is not eligible. And I said, well, I just bought this, you know, Monday, and I just got it today. I have my receipt. I have a video, like, you know, I just unboxed the phone. I've got that on video. It was completely sealed. It hasn't been used. You know, there's 0 battery cycles on it. It's brand new, without a doubt. And they said, sorry, contact Amazon. So I contacted Amazon, and Amazon told me, yeah, we've heard of this issue before. The phone gets, you know, booted up in the factory or whatever, and it like captures that as the sold date, and then it gets stuck like that, and it doesn't update when we sell it for whatever reason. And so I'm like, okay. And they're like, you have to contact Google. We can't change the date or anything like that, or do anything with Pixel Care Plus. So I contact Google again, and now they tell me, oh yeah, well, you know, it's been over 60 days, but also right now we've paused the enrollment of Pixel Care Plus for devices purchased outside the Google store. So if you buy it from like Best Buy or Amazon or a carrier, they currently have the Pixel Care Plus enrollment paused, and I should try again in 30 days. So I've been getting the absolute runaround from Google on simply just trying to buy protection for my $1,500 phone. It doesn't say anywhere on the Pixel Care website that the enrollment is paused. There's nothing on here about that. It just says add a coverage plan now or within 60 days of purchase. It is eligible to add Pixel Care Plus within, you know, 60 days, even if you purchase it from Amazon or Best Buy or a carrier or anything like that. There's nowhere on here that says that's paused. The only way you can figure that out is you pay $1,500 or $1,700 if it's not on sale. You buy the phone and you get the phone, and then you go to check eligibility with the serial number or the IMEI right here, and it's going to tell you that it's not eligible, or it's going to come up with some kind of error. And I find that completely unacceptable that they pause enrollment but don't tell you, because I mean, if somebody buys a $1,500 phone or a $1,700 phone, they're probably going to want to protect it and not figure out that after they purchase this new device, oh, hey, yeah, you can't do that right now. You have to wait X amount of time, and then you can try and see if it's going to work. So I'm very disappointed in that. It seems like every time I buy a piece of Google hardware lately, there's always an issue with something right off the bat. Last time when I got the Pixel or the Galaxy Watch, Google was offering Google Fi on the watch for free for 2 years, and they didn't even have any idea what kind of promo they were running. If you purchased the watch at Best Buy, you were supposed to be able to activate 2 years of data service on the watch through Google Fi without having to have a Google Fi plan or anything like that. And they gave me the runaround on that too. It would not come up to activate on my phone. And they said, oh, you don't have a Google Fi plan. And it literally said on the terms and conditions of the offer, Google Fi plan not required. And they could not figure it out. They had no clue what the terms of the promo were. They had no details on the promo or anything like that to help anybody out. I emailed back and forth for over a month, and I finally got a Pixel 10 Pro, and it showed up on there for whatever reason. So I activated it that way. And then it's always something with Google hardware and Google support when you buy a Google device. I love this phone. I like the phone. I like the Pixel launcher and Google's version of Android on the Pixel Fold. There's a couple things I dislike about it, which I'll get into in another video. But I like the phone. I don't want to return the phone. I got it on sale, a couple $100 off. I like the feel. I like the size and just how it feels in the hand. But the fact that I always have issues with something simple like getting Pixel Care or getting an advertised promotion to work, and then the fact that they have absolutely no way to help you or anything like that. I mean, I reached out to them on X yesterday, and they, I made a post about it, and they replied, hey, send us a DM. So I sent a DM, and they said, hey, yeah, thanks, verify your account, blah, blah. I verified my account, and I said, done. And they said, thanks, we'll get back to you via email in 1 to 2 days. So no chat or anything like that, no live help, just, okay, we'll email you within 1 to 2 days. And, really, that's the kind of support that this billion-dollar company is giving people who buy their most expensive flagship device. It's completely unacceptable. So I'm still trying to get the purchase date fixed. I don't care what the phone says the purchase date is. I just want to be able to activate Pixel Care. I have Square Trade on it right now. I would prefer Pixel Care because it would be straight through the manufacturer. They've got $0 screen replacements and $0 battery replacements. There's no deductible for that, where the Square Trade deductible is $149 for like everything. So I would prefer Pixel Care. I would prefer to get that working, and I'm still working on that, like I said. But as of right now, I haven't gotten anything other than an email. And the email said, something about to clarify, it's been 60 days. I don't know what they're talking about. If they said 30 days from the time of purchase and they meant 60, or if they're saying that this device was purchased 30 days ago. They told me the steps to go through here, which I did that, and that's where you get the error saying it's not eligible. And then I told them it has not been 60 days. I purchased it on the 2nd and got it on the 4th, and I uploaded a screenshot of my receipt. So even if they want to confirm that the device is in good condition before they give me Pixel Care, I can upload a video of the device working. I mean, Samsung's done that in the past, where they want to see the condition of the device and everything like that if you wait a while before you get Samsung Care Plus. I mean, obviously the device is in perfect condition. There's not a scratch on it. It obviously works and everything like that. No issues. Inner screen is perfect. No issues there. And I can provide that to them. I've sent them the receipt multiple times showing that I purchased it on the 2nd. I don't know why they can't just, do a manual activation or, somehow activate my Pixel Care. And, they're like, oh, yep, sorry, I can't do that. You got to contact Amazon. And then, I'm not going to return this and have the same thing happen, because it's not an Amazon issue. We've narrowed that down. This is a Google issue, and their support is just unwilling or unable to figure out how to resolve said issue. So if anybody's got any suggestions or anything, or has any experience with this issue in the past, let me know down in the comments section below. I'm Colin with Techout. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.